So for this tutorial, I will teach you how to play Pasabta by Leela Laburada. So let's get started. So let's have first the intro and verse chords. So intro at verse chords ay pareha lang yung chord na ginamit. So first chord ay C. So ring finger on the third fret of the A string, then middle finger on the second fret of the D string, and index finger on the first fret of the B string. This is C. Then followed by A minor. So from C, you just transfer your ring finger on the second fret of the G string. So C, A minor, C, A minor. The next na chord ay F. This is just like E, but on the first fret. The next chord ay G. So ring finger on the third fret of the E string, then middle finger on the second fret of the A string, and your pinky on the third fret of the E string, the high E string. This is G. So ito lang yung chords ng intro at verse. The next part is the refrain or the pre-chorus. So pre-chorus or refrain, first chord is F, followed by G, then C. Then after ng C ay slide nyo lang yung ring finger nyo sa second fret ng A string. I don't know what is the name of this chord, but I think this is B/C. So from C, slide, or you can have this one. Then after dito ay A minor. So these two fingers here on top, lagay nyo lang sa ibaba, A minor, and followed by F, and followed by G. So ito yung refrain or pre-chorus. Then next is chorus. So sa chorus ay pare-pareho lang sa verse at intro. Ang kakaiba lang nito ay after ng C ay gagawin nyo yung B/C na chord. Then A minor, then F, then G. So last part ng pre-chorus or refrain. Chorus. next na part ay yung bridge. So sa bridge, ang first na chord ay A minor. Yung next ay F. Balik sa A minor. Then G. Pagkatapos ito ay balik sa pre-chorus or refrain. The next is chorus, pero ang chorus ito ay mayroon ng change key. So from C, gagawin nyo yung B. Then followed by B minor. Then followed by G. And after G ay A. These are just basic chords. So ganito yung mangyayari sa refrain, then chorus na mag-change key. So I hope this video helped you, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye!